Hi everyone. So this is how the new dresser looks so far. It's all put together except for the drawers. Kind of the same size as my ironing board. Now I'm gonna put the drawers together. I thought that might be fun to record. I should have steamed the carpets today instead of doing this, and I'm like, no, because I'll move it. Well, why am I putting the drawers together then? I'm throwing a bunch of Dobby's toys away. I've had it. Okay, so it's got that pull tab. So I want that to go to the front with the hole. I should just leave that in there. It don't go up anymore. This is all wrong because, okay, I could do it like this. I was going to say I'm right-handed, so to have that screw, so I'll do it this way. I'll just hold the screw and that makes more sense. And did I? Yeah, okay. My other one looks better. It's got the wood in front. Ah! See that? Oh no, it's not wood, but it looks like it. Okay, well, whatever. What do you want for $90, you know? You want to decorate your house with cardboard and foam. Plastic dots and glue. That's okay. Okay. All right, where's the hole now? It's filling up. I might get you dizzy by the time this is over. There's no thingy in here. It's in the back, though. Does that help? 'Cause I don't know. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Where's the hole? I'm not holding it right. What's going on there? What the hell just happened? I didn't put this in the hole. Okay. The unlucky one. My dog. Whoops, wrong way. Sorry. I forgot what I was doing. My dog better not lift his leg. It's inevitable. No, it's not. It's not. He better not. I don't know. Been fighting myself over it for like 16 years or something. I had him. Okay, this got one of those. Whoops. I forgot to take you with me. What are you doing? Come on. Open. Whoops. Don't. With all the boxes I have around here, I probably could have made one of these and glued it together, and then just taken the clothes that I want to throw away and cut the good parts off of them, like the fronts of the t-shirts and all that, and just wrapped it around the cardboard and be like, there's a freaking homemade dresser for me to put underwear in. I don't know. That sounds like a good idea. Okay. Yep, that got a gel pack. So I heard the fence moving a little while ago, so I went to check to see what Dobby's up to. And she was playing football with the neighbor. And she gave it, he threw it, and she got it. And she came back to him, and he grabbed it. She wasn't going to let him have it. So all I hear is, okay, you have it then. He gave up too. She wants to pull on something, you know. She wants to use her jaw and her teeth and just arr, arr, arr. Anyhow, I'm gonna get her some new toys. She's doing all right with that hamburger, but things be disappearing I don't know where they're going. There's only so many places they can be, and when I don't find them there. Okay, listen to this. This is insane. And I don't know if it's a green duck or if it's a purple hippopotamus, or I don't know what it is. But one of them that I can't find. Either one of those. I threw it and I watched it go. It hit off the closet door. I was sitting on my bed and it hit off my closet door and it went beside my clothes closet, that double-sided fabric closet I got. And I was like, oh. So I get up to get it. Because there's a box sitting there, and it's the box from the gate. I figured I'm not buying another gate. I'm just going to use the box to the gate. Maybe I should have just made a cardboard freaking gate. Anyway, yeah. So I had it up as a gate, and that's the only thing that was there, right? So I get up to go looking for it, and I just seen it go beside the closet and the wall. So where is it? You know, and I'm looking everywhere. I looked inside the box. I looked all around the door. I went underneath of the closet, like all beside it, behind. You can't, is what inside my actual closet that's more like storage? Yeah, I looked in there. I looked everywhere. And I seen where it went. That's the messed up thing. I seen it hit the door and kind of like went sideways, coming back, and yep. I don't know. It fell off the face of the earth. That's what that did. I watched where it went, and it is not there. It's too late to steam the carpets now. You know, it's like it's gonna rain or something out there. I like it. I'm gonna have to run the sweeper again. Got styrofoam all over the place now. I like my eye-hand coordination with putting this on the other side, because when I did this the first time, I was like, what is wrong? I'm always surprised when there's something new I discover I can't do anymore. You know? Okay. I will get you the name of the company. I'll put it, I should hashtag it. No, I shouldn't. I'll use it as a commercial. I just like to share it, you know, show people like how easy that was. I mean, I finished my diamond painting, and I don't know, I've been screwing around doing stuff. I don't know what. Picking stuff up off the floor, make room, take everything out of box. It's nice. there's attachments to anchor it to the wall. I'm not going that far with it because this thing's going to get moved around. Whatever goes in there, it can't weigh a lot. You know, this maybe a couple clothing items if that's what I want to do with it, but that's not where mm-mm. It would have to be like light things. And I think I'm going to transfer what's in the big toy box into here. Maybe. We'll have to see. Some of it probably could go in here. I don't know, because I don't like how things are going. I don't usually, so I need to make changes. And this is the only type of stuff I know how to do. I'm done painting. I can't do that no more. So look at my walls. Look how awful my walls are. For how long I lived here, man. Landlord won't paint them for me. He's like, do it yourself. But anyway, I can't. I'm done with that. I don't know. I gotta get this rug. I'm so sidetracked looking at it because I moved some things around. And it's like, man, that dog and Dobby's feet because it's been rainy and she comes in with muddy feet. So, like, anyway, I don't want him peeing on this. I'm gonna have to cut that box up maybe and make it like a protector. I'm serious. Now that I'm looking at it and thinking that's fabric, you're not just going to wipe that off. Problem. Okay, well, I could figure that out on my own. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little, a little glimpse into my day. I'm going to get them and I'm going to make concoction. Maybe I'll record it and I can hold it for a day or so before I upload it. Okay. Peace out. God bless.